Dr. Hook, what are we going to do now?
Bumalik na kayo dito. Do you hear me?
Steve, easy! Baka mag-detonate ka sa ginagawa mo eh. No choice na tayo. We have to get to the timer and stop it.
Walter's team, hindi niyo pa ako naririnig? Back to base! Now!
What? Hindi, Doktor. Ano, hayaan lang natin sumabog yung bomba?
I said bumalik na kayo dito. That's an order!
Dr. Hook, we took an oath to protect and defend the Earth.
Steve, for Christ's sake, listen to me. Bumalik na kayo dito.
Kung sumabog man tong bombang to, gusto ko nang sumabog ng lumalaban. Team, we have to fight. Nako, Rocket!
Tinigas ng ulo ng mga kaibigan niyo.
Laser Sword! Steve, that's too dangerous. We have no choice, Mark.
Kuya, baka sumabog lang yan.
Tama si Kuya Bert, ayoko sumabog, Kuya.
Or maybe we won't little John.
Kuya Steve, tara na!
If you wanna go home now, sige, pwede ka nang bumalik. Team, mag-vote out na kayo. Magsistay ako dito. Mas gusto kong mamatay figuring out how to destroy this bomb. Save yourselves! Vote out now!
Steve, no! Steve, we're a team, okay? We will all stay, di ba, guys?
Oo. Sama-sama nating harapin to.
Okay, team. If that's the case, we only have 4 minutes left. Gagawin natin ang lahat to stop this bomb.
Hey, Steve, look up!
Ano yan? May bomba na may kalaban pa?
Ah! Team, get ready to fight kung kinakailangan. Roger!
Roger! Anong nangyayari? I think he's trying to pull up the bomb. Sino tataghin yung bomba?